Well, here we are with sugar and spice and all things nice, what the pancreas is used for. So what do we do when the pancreas is so loaded down with challenge, or maybe yours isn't working right? Let me tell my own story very briefly, and then let's talk about rebuilding the pancreas. When I was very young, in my early teenage years, I started noticing problems with my ability to handle sugar. In fact, helping a neighbor a little bit on their farm and just eating their breakfast, which was different than my normal one with sugar and stuff in the breakfast, and I was knocked out for the whole day. Later in my early 20s, I noticed even worse problems, and for years thereafter, I couldn't handle even the tiniest amount of sugar without it doing some pretty severe energy slams. And it got so bad that I was eating every 2 hours, hungry all the time. My blood sugar levels were dropping significantly and really, really causing some problems. I was eating very, very carefully, no processed foods, always fresh, and still making no progress. Well, for many years, I looked for the solution, and it impacted my family. My emotions were up and down with blood sugar levels. I feel sorry for my family at that time because those things were so out of whack. So, what's the solution? Well, one of those solutions is very simply to rebuild the pancreas. And I approach it now by first ensuring that the power is turned on in the pancreas. And that's very simple. It only takes a few minutes, but we need power on in every organ, every system of our body to be able to have full function. Then, rebuilding the pancreas can be done with a couple of different products. Dr. Christopher's pancreas formula is one of those. You'll need your own muscle testing to just check and see if the pancreas formula is complete and right for you. Also, and for me, it took only a few weeks, and I felt a dramatic difference once the pancreas was being fed what it needed. That pancreas formula has mostly monostone cedar berries in it, also known as juniper berries, but they're the single seed berries that grow on it. The pancreas formula is 16 parts of that cedar berry, and then 1 part of about 5 other herbs that kill infection, that clean out toxins out of the body, and do the other things to just balance out the pancreas and help it to function fully. So that's the first thing that may help. And that pancreas formula comes in capsules or a liquid tincture format. Also, your body may need the glandular formula, also by Dr. Christopher's. Now, what else? Well, I'm not going to talk about it today, but the liver and the pancreas work together to balance the blood sugar. And cleaning out the liver and ensuring that it is able to store the glycogen or blood sugar is also critically important. Now, I talked about my own low blood sugar. You may not have low blood sugar. You might have high blood sugar or diabetes. Dr. Christopher's pancreas formula also works for that and is helpful in that case. You'll want to have your own muscle testing to know exactly what you need to do for you, but that's the formula that makes the difference in most cases. Getting control of your diet, your nutrition, making sure everything is turned on, all your body systems are turned on or the power is on to them, and then checking some things like Is there candida overgrowth that's causing me to crave sugar or things like that that may be helpful? I'm Fred Davies with The Wholesome Life, and you can ask me for help. I do know how to help you restore your pancreas function, high or low blood sugar, to full operation. So get a hold of me if you need my help, or just try the pancreas formula and see what it does for you. Have a great day.